Okay.
Hey, wait 1 second. Can we leave our bags at Pippa's?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put. Wait. Can I put my bag like outside here? So I don't have to carry it.
I just spotted this on our walk.
I found it. Well, I mean.
Wow, it's like spider webs, but I think it's caterpillars. Look.
Oh yeah, look. There's loads here. Caterpillars.
Oh wow.
Wow, look how amazing it looks.
It's like just loads and loads.
Looks very creepy.
Looks very creepy.
Halloween decoration.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Wait for us!
It's another clump. It's only on certain trees, I think.
Look how many.
Whoa! Look, they are caterpillars. Look how many there are. They're like swarms. Well, this is like the web that ours make, because ours come and they're tiny little caterpillars, and now there's quite a lot of web in the cup, so they actually make their own webs. Go see that one. Take it with you.